Costco, guys, no membership required for using the air pumps here.
FBI? Him. Come on in. There he is.
And as you know, they got their own tire shop going on here. Alright guys, so this is the new Costco Air. And I like the way it's designed. You just slip this over the stem, push it up, and it automatically fills up. So once you've set that plus or minus to where you want it, you're gonna come to your tire right here, screw that off, and as you can see, you just slip it on, scoot it forward, and that's it. That's it. You're done. You just so it's a slip on and scoot up. Alright, so let's try this again one more time. And guys, we're at Costco and this is totally free.
You can't keep getting away with it! You can't keep getting away with it!
So you just slip that on. That's it. And to get it back off, you just let me take you out of zoom there. That's it, guys.